How to manage your tweets on Twitter. Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to manage your tweets on Twitter. First go to Twitter and then go here and then down and click settings and privacy, and now you need to find this one, privacy and safety. Click on it and then go down and you need to find this one, your tweets. Click on it and then turn this one on if you want, or turn it off again. And as you see, you can manage your tweets here and this one, and that's how manage your tweets on Twitter. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and watch this video if you want, and see you in the next video.